Hi everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this channel we discuss everything that has to do with the business, the successes, the failures, and everything in between. And in today's video we are going to be doing stock taking. So the first thing that we're going to do is to take everything that we have out of the box, and we're going to put them together by product. For example, body lotions, body wash, bath salts, perfumes, etc., so that we can be able to continue with the process. Very important to take out every stock that you have on hand, so that you know exactly what you have on hand and what is already sold. You will see at the end that I am going to be counting everything that I have in stock, and then I'm also going to be looking at the stuff that I have sold, so that I can see that there are no products that have been lost, and everything tallies with the order that I had already made. Remember, I said that the 45 preview promo comes with 76 products. Sorry, I forgot. But yeah, I needed to ensure that the products that I have on hand, the products that were sold, tally up. So that's why I was doing this process. As you can see in the video, I then move on to counting how many body lotions I have left, how many perfumes I have left, how many bath salts I have left. And this is also to help me to know how much stock I have on hand, and also to keep track of everything that I have and everything that I have sold. So after I am done doing this, you will see that I am then going to group these things according to their name. For example, how many Only You for Him perfumes I have, or how many Mod Pink perfumes I have, and so on and so forth, so that I can be able to advertise the products better, knowing which product I have on hand and the scent that I have on hand, so that I can be able to be better to serve my clients. Over here, I was sorting out the perfumes. I wanted to see, as I've already said, how many perfume I have for each scent. So I'm just gonna pair up each scent in groups, and the list that I've just showed you is the list that I did after I started the special and everyone was starting to order. So I'm just going to be doing an update on that list. If there's the perfumes have all been sold, then I'm just going to stretch them out. If one of those perfumes have been sold, then I'm just going to minus, and yeah, so on and so forth. So as you can see here, I have 2 Mod Pinks, I have 2 I think there was Dylan Blue as well, so I group them in that way. And then I'm looking at the list to see if the numbers are still the same, subtract and leave what I need to leave. The importance of this exercise, you will see it in this when I was doing these body lotions, because I was looking at everything so that I can group them by their scent. I was able to realize that they were actually body wash that was mixed with the body lotion, so that helped as well, because now I was able to note that I have about 2 or 3 body washes, and then I also had to decrease the number of body lotions that I had already noted that I had by that number. So this exercise is very important, so that you can be able to know what you actually have on stock, because I had forgotten that there were body lotions here as well, but because I did this exercise, I was able to see that and to record it as such. So it is here that I realized that there were body washes amongst the body lotions, so I had to do this part over again and remove the body washes from the body lotions, and also correct the number of body lotions that I have, and also add the number of body washes that I actually have on stock. So after I was done calculating everything, I realized that I had orders that were made by people, so I needed to put aside the perfumes that were ordered so that I can be able to deliver them to their rightful people. And also, by doing this exercise, it also means that I have to adjust the number of perfumes that I have recorded that I have on stock, because these ones were ready for delivery. I think I took about 3 perfumes that needed to be out on delivery, and a room mist as well. So I had to correct that in the book as well, because they were no longer now products that I have on stock, but products that were going to customers. So I needed to update my book as such. I normally do not pack products that are going out to clients while I'm doing stock taking, because it can easily distract you. But because it was only like 4 products, it was easy for me to do and to just correct the numbers that I've already recorded, because it was not many things that I was about to do mistake. At this stage, I was just putting the products together so I can take a picture of everything that is left over. For example, I grouped the body lotions together so I can take a picture of them, and then I can be able to post on my socials, indicating to people that these are the lotions that I have on stock. So if someone wants to purchase it, they can be able to have it. And then I do the same things for the perfumes, for the bath salts, and everything else. Unfortunately, I couldn't show you the part where I was taking the pictures because I was using the same phone that I was using to record. And over here, I'm just picking away the products according to product, like the body washes, the perfumes on their own. This makes it easier for me. When someone wants to purchase something, I don't have to take everything out of the box. I just go to the section. So if someone wants a perfume, I just go to the perfume section without having to take out all the lotions or the bath salts and so on and so forth. This exercise, the stock taking exercise, is important because it lets you know how much stock you have on hand. It lets you know exactly the products that you have on stock, so that when you are talking to people about the product, you can be able to tell them which products you have on stock and which products they will have to wait for you to place orders for. And it also makes it easier for you to advertise, because you can, when you're doing this, you can take pictures of the stock that you actually have and then use those pictures for marketing, and people can buy that instead of just marketing that you're selling lotions and people don't know which lotions you exactly have on stock. And also it helps you in the sense that people will probably want to purchase the stuff that you have on stock rather than the stuff that you still need to order. So when you're showing pictures of the things that you have on stock, it also helps in that way that people will be like, okay, so I can get this today. If I want it today, I don't have to wait, and then they will make their orders according to that as well. But people who already have their favorite scents will rather prefer to wait for you to order their preferred scent rather than taking something that you already have on hand, just because it's readily available. But this is very much important, because when you're talking to your clients, you can easily tell them which items you have on stock and which items they have to wait for you to place an order. And it will also help you into knowing which which items are selling from your stock as well. And then that's the bag that I normally carry around when I'm walking around in town, so people can see that I am selling INUKA. Thank you.